Hello, Olympia Bears families. My name is Jeremy Clarke. I'm a special education resource teacher at Olympia High School. My intention with this video is to not read every slide to you, so if you need to pause at certain points to kind of get all the information, by all means, please do that. A couple pictures of myself. Biography. It's my first year at Olympia High School, but it's my 16th year teaching, so I'm super excited to be here. My kids are future Bears, so I'm really looking forward to getting to work with your students. I teach a couple different classes at Olympia. I teach first and second period, which is a block class for seniors, personal finance and employment literacy. I also teach academic literature 5 the rest of the day. The essential learnings in personal finance skills and employment literacy, it's real life stuff. We're going to try to get your student some real life experience, some real life scenarios, and that's really the focus of our class there. In academic literature, we're really all about critical thinking, reading for understanding, writing for clarity. A lot of reading, a lot of writing. Kids are doing a great job with it. The best way to contact me is by email. I'm usually pretty quick, usually same day, but always within 1 business day. My email address is there, and then you can also call me by phone. I'll get back to you that way as well, whatever works for you. All my assignments are in Schoology, so if there's not a digital copy of an assignment, which there almost always is, but if there's not, I will put detailed instructions in Schoology. If your student needs to be absent for multiple days, I will email them to let them know how to find their assignments in Schoology. So my classes are small enough I can work with them one-on-one. So going into Schoology here, you would click on your student would click on their class. I have all the daily slides right here, which kind of is the instructions of what we went over. You can also see the different units that we're working on, different folders, and the kids are doing a great job navigating this. So everything's in there. If your student has to be absent for any length of time, that all the things they need to access will be in Schoology, and I will call home and email to help them get going. So if you have any questions, please contact me, and I really look forward to working with your student this year. Go Bears.